Jeremy Bush, owner and director of Hit Dogs Illinois.
Cool. So what's going on here today?
Today we had a scrimmage, 14U scrimmage. We got a lot of new names and faces to the organization this year. Just wanted to get the boys out early here, see what we got, get them competing a little bit.
Yeah. What do you say maybe the overall vision of what you want to do for players here at Hit Dogs in Illinois?
We want to develop them. We want to get them into high school baseball. We want to get them on the varsity team as soon as possible. And we definitely want them to play college baseball after that.
How old is Chloe?
Chloe is 6 months old.
All right. New to the team, new to the world. Go Hit Dogs.
Go Hit Dogs.
Stay down, stay down. Got it, baby. Get back, get back. Way to go. All right, ready, let's go.
What's up? I'm Coach Todd Delaney, and I'm with the Hit Dogs 14U, and this is Coach Soto with the 14U Outlaws. And we just got done playing a doubleheader. We split. Great competition, one-run game in each game. This guy right here coached a mean game, tough game. It was rough out there.
No, competitive game.
Yeah.
Competitive game. Great pitching, great fielding, great hitting all around. Boys looked like they were ready to go.
Oh, yes. Thanks, guys.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely, yeah.
Go Dogs.